Meron po ba kayong nararamdaman na external pressure bilang chairperson ng House Committee on Justice?
To be honest, wala talaga no? I've been hearing from social media na meron daw pressure coming from the leadership of the House. Meron ding mga representations coming from the Duterte camp. But in either party, wala tayong nararamdaman, naririnig, o na-experience na pressure about this impeachment proceeding.
Right. Pero kung over the weekend you made an appeal to your colleagues dito po sa House of Representatives, and sa quote po na nakita po namin sa interview nyo po, ang sabi nyo, hindi tayo dapat matakot sa presidente, sa vice-presidente, sa anumang religious group. Can you clarify on these statements po?
Well, it is because of various discussions over the social media, no? Na may pressure nga coming from the administration, tapos meron ding representation coming from the vice president's camp, no? At ito naman, apparently, ay nag-circulate din itong mga ganitong kwentuhan among the members of the House. But about hearing personally things like this, wala talaga. So it is me as chairperson of the Justice Committee just trying to make sure that things are clear about my colleagues, that I was saying na we owe our fidelity to the sovereign Filipino people. We do not owe it to the president, to the vice president. Neither do we owe it to any religious group. Totoo naman. Because ang ating sinusundan dito ay ang mandato ng Constitution, at ang Constitution naman ito ay this is a representation of the sovereign Filipino people, no? So it's just my way of reacting to the circulating information, although the same is not verified, just to make sure that the members of the House are aware about their mandate coming from the sovereign Filipino people, no? We need to be impartial, we need to be independent, we need to be very honest in hearing this impeachment complaint, because at the end of the day, this is the fidelity that we owe to the sovereign Filipino people.